Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from ICP DAS USA. Today's video we're covering the GW-7472 Quick Start Guide. Here is the module for reference. First, it is important to ensure that your PC has workable network settings. You'll also want to disable your Windows and antivirus firewalls to ensure that the network scan in this setup will work. Next, you'll want to be sure if the INIT/run dip switch is on the INIT position. Then you'll want to connect both the module and your computer to the same subnetwork or Ethernet switch and power the module on as shown in these diagrams. Before we jump into the installation portion, as a quick reminder, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and visit us on our website to see all the products we have to offer. For the installation, you'll want to install the software on your PC. You can find a link to the software on the product page of our website. Once the software is installed, open the utility shortcut on the desktop and click the Network Scan button to search your module. To configure the module, you'll want to click the Configure button on the module utility screen. Then a configuration window will pop up, and go ahead and verify that the information on the Network Setting and Modbus Command tabs are correct. Then select the Update Settings and Reboot option. To run a diagnostic test on the module, you'll want to ensure that the INIT run switch is in the run position on your module. And once your module has completed the reboot from the last part, you can then reconnect it with the utility, then click the Diagnostics button, and the test will run. Once this is complete, you have successfully set up your module. If you have any more questions about this device setup or are interested in learning more about the products we have to offer, please reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. Our team would love to hear from you. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any questions. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.